Welcome to the channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of natural gardening, where we explore the remarkable world of DIY fertilizers. For centuries, humankind has sought ways to nourish the soil and encourage bountiful harvests. Join me as we uncover the secrets of creating our own eco-friendly solutions, transforming our gardens into thriving ecosystems. Our first destination takes us to the very foundation of healthy soil compost. This rich, earthy substance teems with life, a complex web of microorganisms working tirelessly to break down organic matter. Today we'll be harnessing this power to create a revitalizing tonic for our plants: compost tea. To begin our endeavor, we gather a symphony of ingredients from the garden. Fallen leaves, a rich tapestry of browns, provide a vital source of carbon, while nitrogen-rich greens, perhaps kitchen scraps or grass clippings, bring balance to the equation. Layer by layer, we build our compost pile, ensuring a harmonious blend of these essential elements. With our compost assembled, we introduce the lifeblood of our operation: water. As the water permeates the compost, it awakens the dormant microorganisms, coaxing them back into a frenzy of activity. Over the next few days, we'll witness a remarkable transformation. The once inert pile will come alive, a symphony of microscopic life, diligently breaking down the organic matter, releasing a treasure trove of nutrients into the water. Every so often, we gently stir the brewing concoction, ensuring that all corners of the compost are nourished by the life-giving water. This subtle agitation encourages aeration, further fueling the metabolic processes of our microscopic allies. After several days of patient anticipation, our compost tea is ready. Using a fine mesh sieve, we carefully separate the liquid gold from the solid compost. The resulting elixir, teeming with beneficial bacteria and fungi, is a veritable feast for our plants. Our journey continues to the shores of the ocean, where we encounter a time-honored tradition, harnessing the power of fish to enrich our gardens. Fish emulsion, a potent concoction derived from the bounty of the sea, has been used for centuries to invigorate plant growth. Our quest for this liquid gold begins with the collection of fish scraps. Heads, bones and scales, often discarded as waste, hold a wealth of essential nutrients that our plants crave. These remnants of the sea, once teeming with life, will find new purpose in nourishing our gardens. With our fish scraps gathered, we embark on a delicate process of transformation. Blending the scraps with water, we create a slurry that will serve as the foundation for our emulsion. This mixture, while pungent to our senses, holds the promise of abundant growth for our plants. Patience is paramount as we allow the fish emulsion to ferment. Over the next few weeks, a remarkable transformation will occur. Microorganisms, the unseen architects of our emulsion, will diligently break down the fish scraps, releasing a symphony of nutrients into the water. Regular stirring, much like a gentle sea current, ensures that our emulsion remains well aerated, fostering a thriving ecosystem within the container. This careful attention to detail is rewarded with an emulsion rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and other essential elements. Before introducing this potent elixir to our gardens, we must first temper its strength. Diluting the fish emulsion with water ensures that our plants receive a gentle and nourishing infusion, rather than an overwhelming surge. Chapter 3: From Shell to Soil Eggshell Fertilizer. Our final destination takes us to a resource often overlooked: the humble eggshell. Though seemingly fragile, these discarded shells harbor a surprising secret. They are a treasure trove of calcium, a vital nutrient for strong plant growth. Our task is simple yet satisfying. We gather the eggshells, remnants of countless breakfasts, and embark on a process of transformation. Crushing the shells into a fine powder, we unlock the calcium and other essential minerals trapped within. This delicate powder, once a protective barrier for fragile life, will now serve as a natural fertilizer, fortifying our plants from the ground up. Sprinkled around the base of our plants, the eggshell powder will slowly release its nutrients into the soil, providing a steady source of nourishment. Tomatoes, peppers, and other fruiting plants, often plagued by blossom end rot, a telltale sign of calcium deficiency, will particularly benefit from this calcium boost. The eggshell powder, a natural remedy for this common ailment, will bolster their cell walls, ensuring healthy and abundant fruit production. But the benefits of eggshells extend beyond their calcium content. These unassuming shells also harbor trace amounts of other essential minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, each playing a vital role in plant health and growth. As we sprinkle this nutrient-rich powder around our gardens, we participate in a timeless cycle of sustainability, transforming kitchen waste into valuable resources that nourish our plants and enrich the soil. As our journey through the world of natural fertilizers comes to a close, I hope you feel inspired to create your own eco-friendly solutions. Remember, every step we take towards sustainable gardening contributes to a healthier planet for generations to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly gardening tips. Happy gardening!